Good morning, gentlemen. Today I have chosen a topic for my lecture on a issue of a global warming. Global warming is a very hot topic, and this is a issue that not for any individual country. This is an issue at a global level. So I am discussing about its impact, how its impact, what is the global warming, and what its solution at a global level. So basically, global warming is nothing. It's the rise of temperature of the earth from the absorbing gases which absorb the heat of the earth and act as a barrier for the heat of the earth which drowns in the earth from the out of the space. So this barrier will not allow the gases, not allow the heat to escape the atmosphere of earth. That's why the temperature of the earth increases. Many recent examples that in USA and Europe, that are sudden and unpredictable snowfall, and in India we majorly faces that in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar recently from the 2 or 3 months. From the 2 or 3 months, there is a regular rainfall, and the regular flood comes because that glaciers are freeze out due to the rises of temperature, and this increases the rainwater, increases the water level in the river. This causes global warming. So basically, global warming is the rises of temperature of the earth due to presence of the global warming gases. Generally, the global warming gases are those gases which absorb the heat. Now, if I'm talking about that, how it happens, the global warming. When the sunlight, if I'm taking an example, when the sunlight enters into the earth atmosphere, then earth absorbs some heat from the sunlight for its remain warm and another thing. When the sunlight bounces back and reflected back from the earth's surface, then it would be go out in a surface in a space. But due to presence of global warming gases, the sunlight heats would be absorbed, and the global warming gases act as a barrier for a heat which would escape the space. That these gases are not allow to it to leave out from the earth atmosphere. That's why the temperature of the earth is rising. So recently, the UN in 1999, UN also activate a panel, or also arrange a panel on this issue, and there are many other ways of a UN. Then the panel of a UN is involvement that the deforestation which causes the global warming, and the emission of the CO2 in America, and rises of temperature from 1.4 to 4 degrees Celsius within a last century. So these are the basically the panel situations of the UN, and the Kyoto department, or the Kyoto meeting. Kyoto is a city of Japan in which the 180 representatives are taken participate, in which the government of the union at the global level, department set up a scheme, set up a arrangement that the developed countries are not using the fuel, and they can reduce their coal fuels within a limit of 5% or 10%, in which they set such type of standard to reduce the global warming. And they give a freedom for India and China, because at the time the India and China are developing countries, and presently also. So these are the issues. That what are the, now if I'm thinking about that, what are the impact of the global warming at the world level. That first thing is freeze out of the glacier, or freezing of the glacier, freeze out of the glacier. That when the rises of the temperature occurs, then the glacier which at a mountainy region, and like Antarctica, Arctic circles, the glacier, when they freeze out, and this freeze out, that they increase the water level. If I'm taking about the Himalayan glacier for India, then if they freeze out, then they increase the water level in the river. Then the drinking water scarcity comes in the summer season and in the other season. And when the more glaciers are freeze out, and the water level also increase, and the fresh water is come down in the sea, and the sea level is also increase. So these are the impact. And rise in temperatures also occur, that the heat and the rainfall, and the more rain, are just given an example of that. So if that what should be done to stop this global warming, that recently we have to thinking that to talking on the global warming issue is not given a solution. The whole country should have adapt a standard that this is a problem, this is a global problem, and the solution of this problem is also global, at a global level. So the countries are stopped using the fossil fuels, because it is very easy to make out. So recently the Singapore made a highest mega power solar panel, and India has also invested in many solar panel. And those countries which have their territory along the equator, they have a good solar panel, and they can storage wind energy, they can use energy into another form. So if we invested these things, that we can change the image of the world. Otherwise, if the global warming continuously increasing, that it will be harmful for many countries which are along the sea level, and also India. So we have to install solar panel in other countries to stop it. That's all. Thank you.